So, could you kindly introduce yourself and also tell us where you're from and what you do?
Oh, my name is Elman Nsinda. I come from Uganda. I work for White Ribbon Alliance for Safe Motherhood, Uganda. And a journalist by training. We're doing a lot of stuff in Uganda to better maternal health. We currently have a project called Act Now to End Teenage Pregnancy in Uganda. 1 in 4 girls who are below 19 years are pregnant or have already given birth. That is a scourge in Uganda. And Uganda is a country which has the youngest population in the world, where 98% of all its population are young people below 20 years. So you can see, if really 1 in 4 girls are pregnant or have given birth, that is really very shocking. So we have a campaign to ensure that we do something around it to reduce the numbers. And this campaign, we are calling on government to coordinate the relevant ministries to come up with a multi-sectoral plan to tackle teenage pregnancy in Uganda. The Ministry of Education, Ministry of Finance, Ministry of Health, Ministry of Gender, all of them, we want them to sit, harmonize all the activities they are doing to ensure that they come up with one multi-sectoral plan to addressing the teenage pregnancy scourge in the country. We have another very important strategy, and that is citizen journalism. We trained a number of citizens to do the reporting themselves and to hold their leaders accountable by unveiling the problems that are happening in their communities and showing them to their leaders through the media, major social media, tweeting, Facebooking, and the stuff. So we've so far registered a number of successes. For instance, when we went to the Prime Minister asking him to coordinate the ministries, he said, "No, I know this already. I've been seeing it trending on social media." That is done by the citizen journalists.
Thank you so much, Elmo. And just one last quick question. In a minute, can you tell us what your expectations are for the UNGA and what you hope be achieved, especially as we talk about the implementation of the Agenda 2030?
One, I really to register successes, especially with the new global agenda of sustainable development goals. We need to ensure that the UN General Assembly addresses the need for engaging citizens, so that the citizens themselves can speak for themselves than some other people coming elsewhere to speak for them. Let us give them the opportunity to bring out their own problems to the table. Let us involve them in the decision making. Let us involve them in the discussions that concern their issues, their societal issues, their health. These people will again come on board and also support and also even utilize the services that we shall put there.
And I think citizens also should be involved and integrated in the data collection processes and data analysis processes, so that they can inform decision makers of what to improve.
Definitely. When we did a health facility assessment in one of the districts we work, we involved the citizens themselves to do it. And in the process, they appreciated that they were not doing their role as citizens. Their leaders were not also doing what they are supposed to do. And at the end of the assessment, they knew what they were supposed to do, and they started using the findings to engage their leaders and the duty bearers. So it is very important for them to, for the citizens to be involved even in the researches around health. That will also help them understand the need for their involvement and understand the need to involve the duty bearers to do what they are supposed to do.
Thank you so much for your time. Well, that was Elmo from Uganda and Girls Globe signing out. Thank you so much. Yeah?
Welcome.